come forward. The first person, if you have a message, I'm asking if anyone knows whatever happened to little Ben Needham. Ben Needham disappeared on the island of Kos off of Greece. The island of Kos, a little blonde-headed boy. Nobody knows what happened to him. Either he was abducted or he met with a tragic circumstance. But we don't know. It is an old, old mystery. Ben Needham, he's a little English boy who was outside of his grandparents' house playing, and he was 21 months old. I know now you'll be much older if you are in the afterlife, Ben. If anyone knows, if you come through, please. First person come forward, give your message nice and loud. I ask that you say your name, please. Say it as loudly as you possibly can. Enunciate distinctly. We endeavor to prove you exist.